I'm gonna make a Hydra today, made out of glue. First, make the head. Okay, we have to make 9 of them. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the heads are done. Put them away, and then we make the body. Scramble it. Okay, it don't need to be too small or too big, just be right. This size. Make this splash. Now make the body. Just is the body, and then we need to make the tail. Now there's another one. This is the tail part. The tail's done, and then 2 legs. We just need 2 legs. One leg, and another leg. Well, we need to use this, but it is very hot, so you may need to call your dad or mom or your parents to help you. Okay, first the heads. To the bigger one. Hold it 5 seconds. Okay. One head already done. Okay, I'm making the 9th one. Okay, it's all set. Do you want to make the wings? If you want to make the wings, if you don't want to make these wings, you just skip this part. You also need scissors. Or you can cut any shape you want on his wings. Well, I want this shape, so I make this. And you can stick it to here. And this will be another one. Same. Easy peasy. Okay, 2 wings. Then you can stick the wings. Hold it 10 seconds here. You need longer. Okay, 2 legs are done too. Finally, the tail. You can make it any shape you want to. I want this shape. Okay, it's all done. Yeah, like it, right? Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.